Hello guys, I'm back with one more set of video about daily essentials. Do you have an infant at home and are you worried about how to safeguard your child from falling down the bed? Well, there's a very important product which is available on Amazon, which you can buy it and use it so that you need not to stay always near the baby. You can go and do your job without thinking about baby falling down the bed. So I'm going to show you about a bed rail supplied by Love Lab. So we'll unbox this and I'll show you how to install this and So let us unbox this. So this product comes in two dimensions according to your bed sizes. If you have a queen size bed, so the length of the bed would be close to 6.5 feet and the width of the bed would be close to 3.5 to 4 feet. So you get both the products if you want based on your requirement. So I'm just going to unbox this. So we have unboxed the product. This is the curtain. These are the supporting channels. These are side rails and these are the bases of the rail. So in order to connect this, first we will put this rail here. If it does not go in, just press this knob so that it will go in and gets locked in here. These are the set of bolts which come in along with the rails. For us, we need only these two screws. Some of them need not to be used because we are just going to place this curtain rail locked inside your bed. This bush has a screw inside. You have to just remove this screw out, connect the basement to it, push this stud inside. So based on your requirement you can adjust the height. So I will place it at the bottom. Use the extension here, press this knob, press it here, fix it, are we done? So before placing this, you need to make sure that we are placing the place this curtain inside. Just lock this by placing the zipper here. Let us come here, place the side guard similar to last time, press it and there goes. Have pressed here. Now let us unzip this. Let us connect basement similarly like before. We have placed the knobs in number 2 channel, number 2 slot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4th slot. Place it in here. Align the holes, get one stud and screw, remove the nut, place the insert here, put the screws and tighten it. Okay, this is how a simple curtain rail looks like. If you're not using this rail, you can just press here, both the sides, and get this down. Whenever you want to use this, just press this knob and fix it here. Okay. Hope this installation video was helpful to you, and I'll be back with many more such home decor or home repair videos in the upcoming days. Keep supporting us by liking, sharing and subscribing these videos and making sure that these contents reach majority of the people. Thank you so much. Have a good day.